Nowadays, technologies are coming. IoTs, even cell phone is exactly 25 years back, I used to talk about cell phone. Then everybody used to heckle me, cell phone can feed anybody. Today, cell phone has become a necessity for everybody. Now, apps have come, analytics have come, artificial intelligence is a reality, drones have come, either pest detection, pest control, mosquito control, road condition evaluation, anything for that matter. Even buildings, construction, quality, inspection, everything. It is a new era, new world we are going to live in the near future. So with all new approaches we are coming, there we are aiming 15% growth rate next 25 years. There I need investment, industrial friends in a big way, and also finally zero poverty also I am planning. This is where, if you can see in India, we are creating wealth because of economic reforms P3 formula, public-private people's partnership. Now because of this, we are able to create wealth, government is getting some revenue, but at the same time disparities of economic inequalities are increasing. Now that is where we are talking about zero poverty. Top 10%, even industrial friends, can adopt bottom 20%. Mentoring, hand-holding, helping, short term, medium term, long term. We have to take into consideration people as capital. We are all politicians. Issue is we have to run in democracy political governance. My stakeholders are public and also industry and others, everybody, employees, everybody. I have to balance everybody. This is the new concept we are taking. There also I need your cooperation, how to work it out, how to eradicate poverty, how to empower continuously, last mile, overall, really suffering. And ultimately, these are all few thoughts I want to share you. In this area, even some of our friends, Japanese firms, they told me power incentives, power quality, property tax, acceleration, and also TORE, improve public governance, improve transparency, accountability, EDV road shows to Japan, Korea and US to attract investment, Isuzu. Again, he invited me to come to Japan, certainly, and also Daikin Global Air Condition exports from Sri City. Skilling. He referred about skilling in a big way. That is one more request he has done. For the last 5 years, my successor never visited this place. That itself is an indication you don't know the value of investment. Generally, in India also, not all, majority are working for investment and creating employment. We used to compete with each other. There were days, states used to compete with each other. If you go back 20 years back, only Bangalore city was IT presence. India, IT means only Bangalore. Then I challenged Bangalore. Then I want to promote investment to Hyderabad. At that time, my counterpart used to counter me, how can you attract investment to Hyderabad? Hyderabad is nowhere in the map of IT. Then I made one by one company. Ultimately, he gave a statement, I cannot compete with you, we will work together. This is where we have to compete, complement with each other for a healthy competition, then only things will happen. Today, Hyderabad is better or equal to Bangalore. Everything is possible. All these things have happened for the last 25 years' time only. Huge incentives are pending. I am aware. I was inherited very bad treasury. There is no money, but we will create wealth at the earliest installment wise. I will release all your incentives. That is my commitment. I will do it. And also infrastructure gaps such as road, industrial water, power. This is another issue is there for industries, that also will do. Even irrational high tariffs, even water, they increased abnormally. I have seen that. And also other inputs also. I am assuring you, immediately we will rationalize. Very soon I am going to bring a policy. There I am giving very clear clarity for all of you. We will do it. We will reduce. We will bring competitive price. Even original price what you have given at that time. That is how I am going to get that policy also. Even fees and charges, I told you. This is where you are asking here. Property tax. That also we will control, we will rationalize, we will do that also. And also law and order. Today I have started one police station here, one of the best police station. Even in Hyderabad at that time, I started one police station in Cyberabad. Even now it is better than that. With the modern equipment, everything, we are going to provide one of the best police station. And also, you don't have any problem of law and order. That is my assurance. If I come, automatically law and order will be controlled. I was inherited some problems, drugs, ganjai, rowdyism, criminalization, all these things, but I am ruthless. I made it very clear, zero tolerance on law and order. I will implement and I will execute. I will maintain law and order. That is our commitment.